Think Foz do Iguaçu is all about waterfalls? If that's what you think, you're in for a big surprise. Most tourists come here expecting just a grand view of the falls, but what many don't know is that Foz do Iguaçu holds secrets and experiences that go way beyond that. It's a destination where nature, ecology, and culture come together in a unique way, offering experiences you won't find anywhere else in Brazil. Picture yourself cruising between waterfalls, strolling among rare birds, and even visiting one of the largest hydroelectric plants in the world, all in one place. And the best part, it connects you with the very essence of what makes Brazil special. Get ready, because you're about to discover a side of Foz few people know about. Iguaçu Falls, on the Brazilian side, is without a doubt one of the country's top tourist attractions, drawing visitors from all over the world. Anyone who has had the privilege of seeing these waterfalls up close knows how truly majestic this natural wonder is. Nestled within Iguaçu National Park, the beauty of the waterfalls is framed by a lush, preserved forest, giving visitors an intimate connection with the local ecosystem. The sheer scale of the falls is impossible to describe, making Foz do Iguaçu a true gem of Brazilian tourism. But there's more to the Brazilian side of the falls than just admiring the view. The park offers eco-trails and lookouts where you can see the waterfalls from different angles. For the more adventurous, there's a boat ride that gets you up close and personal with the falls. If you're looking for an even deeper connection with nature, the Brazilian side is ideal, offering a safe yet thrilling environment to explore the power and beauty of the water. This immersion makes the visit a chance to reconnect with nature, something more and more travelers are seeking these days. The Macuco Safari is hands down one of the most exhilarating experiences in Foz do Iguaçu. Picture yourself gliding along the calm waters of the Iguaçu River, only to find yourself suddenly under the thunderous waterfalls. This boat tour takes you as close as possible to the falls, guaranteeing a thrilling soak of pure adrenaline. The adventure starts with a tour through the forest in electric vehicles, giving you a chance to get up close with Brazil's unique flora and fauna. It's a real ecological immersion, where nature reveals itself around every corner. For adventure and nature lovers, the Macuco Safari is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to feel the sheer power of the Iguaçu Falls in a safe, yet heart-pounding way. In addition to the thrill of the boat ride, the tour offers opportunities to spot native species and learn about conservation efforts in the region. All this, combined with the adrenaline rush, makes your heart race and is a key part of the ecotourism experience. It's the perfect blend of adventure and respect for the environment, an unforgettable experience of what Brazil has to offer. A helicopter ride over Iguaçu Falls is an unforgettable and unique experience, offering a panoramic view of one of the world's greatest natural wonders. The flight may be brief, but it's enough to capture the grandeur of the waterfalls and the lush nature surrounding them. For those looking for a different perspective, the helicopter ride provides a privileged view you simply can't get from the ground. Watching the water cascade from above is a breathtaking experience that inspires awe and respect for the power of nature. In addition to the thrill of flying over the falls, the helicopter ride gives you an aerial view of the entire Iguaçu National Park, revealing the vast forest that surrounds the falls. This activity is the perfect complement to exploring the trails and viewpoints on foot. Operated by certified companies following all safety protocols, the helicopter tour ensures a smooth and memorable experience. For adventure seekers and photography lovers, it's an unmissable chance to capture Brazil's grandeur from a completely new angle. Visiting Iguaçu Falls from the Argentine side is a complimentary and equally amazing experience to the Brazilian side. While Brazil offers panoramic views, Argentina gets you even closer, with walkways that take you right over the falls. The Iguaçu National Park in Argentina offers a variety of trails, each exploring different angles and distances from the waterfalls. The famous Devil's Throat, for example, is one of the most impactful spots, where the sheer force of the water is almost palpable. The Argentine side provides a more up-close experience, literally putting you over the waterfalls. Walking along the walkways over the river gives you a unique sense of being part of nature in a deeper way. Ecotourism here is well developed, with information about local wildlife and plant species scattered along the trails. To make the most of your visit to Iguaçu Falls, seeing both the Brazilian and Argentine sides is a must, offering different yet complementary perspectives on this natural wonder.
Are you enjoying the content? Our channel is showing you a contemporary Brazil, far beyond the stereotypes of a country of samba, football, beaches, and caipirinhas. A vision from someone who lives the Brazilian reality. From someone who knows that this is a country with the capacity to be a world power in several areas. All in light, easy to understand language. We ask for your support to continue improving. Send suggestions. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to receive news from our channel. Leave a like as this encourages us a lot. Thank you, or as the Brazilians say, a hug.
The Three Borders landmark is one of the most symbolic tourist spots in Foz do Iguaçu. Situated at the junction of the Iguaçu and Paraná rivers, it marks the meeting point of three countries: Brazil, Argentina, and Paraguay. Each nation has its own obelisk, painted in the colors of their respective flags, physically marking this unique geopolitical divide. It's a place where history, culture, and geography intersect, and visitors can see all three countries from a single spot. For those seeking experiences that go beyond conventional tourism, this is a place rich in historical and emotional significance. Beyond the unique setting, the Three Borders landmark offers cultural attractions celebrating the diversity of these three nations. Visitors can enjoy traditional dance performances, sample local cuisine, and learn more about the history of cooperation between the countries. The tourism experience here goes beyond the landscape, offering a cultural immersion perfect for those looking to understand the relationship between these three peoples. It's also a great spot to watch the sunset, with a natural spectacle that perfectly complements the site's historical richness. The Itaipu hydroelectric plant is one of the largest engineering feats in the world and one of the most powerful hydroelectric plants in operation. Located on the border between Brazil and Paraguay, it stands as a symbol not only of energy production but also of cooperation between the two countries. Visiting Itaipu is a deep dive into an experience that combines technology, ecology, and sustainable development. The dam provides a significant amount of electricity for both Brazil and Paraguay, serving as a prime example of efficient and ecologically conscious energy production. The tour of Itaipu is a lesson in renewable energy and sustainability. In addition to learning about the technical side of energy production, visitors also get to explore the environmental preservation initiatives spearheaded by the plant, including forest conservation and ecological awareness programs. For those interested in ecotourism and technology, a visit to Itaipu offers a hands-on opportunity to see how Brazil is leading in clean, sustainable energy production, while also taking responsibility for environmental stewardship. The bird park is one of the most enchanting tourist spots in Foz do Iguaçu, offering a unique experience for nature lovers. Located next to the falls, this park is a sanctuary for the preservation of various species of tropical birds, many of which are endangered. As you stroll along the trails, you'll have the chance to interact with these birds in environments that mimic their natural habitats, making the visit a true immersion into Brazilian biodiversity. Beyond that, the park plays a vital role in environmental education, raising awareness of the importance of conservation. For those seeking a closer connection with nature, the bird park offers the chance to see toucans, macaws, and many other colorful birds that make Brazil's fauna so rich and unique. More than just a casual visit, the park provides an education on ecology and the challenges of conservation. The work done here goes beyond tourism, inspiring visitors to reflect on the impact human activities have on the environment and how we can each contribute to preserving this valuable biodiversity for Brazil and the world. The Buddhist temple in Foz do Iguaçu is a peaceful retreat of tranquility and spirituality amid the city's hustle and bustle. Perched on a hill, the temple offers spectacular views of the tri-border area, making it not just a spiritual destination but also a great lookout point. The temple houses more than 120 Buddha statues, arranged in a garden that invites reflection and contemplation. The giant Buddha statue, one of the main attractions, symbolizes peace and wisdom, offering visitors a moment of introspection. For those seeking a peaceful pause, the Buddhist temple is the perfect place to meditate and reconnect with yourself, far from the busier attractions. It's also a chance to learn about Buddhist culture and principles. The temple is welcoming, and anyone, regardless of religion, can enjoy the peace the place offers. Foz do Iguaçu, known for its cultural diversity, surprises visitors with this spiritual haven that contrasts with the adventurous nature of the falls, proving that the city has something to offer for every kind of traveler. Foz do Iguaçu is one of Brazil's safest tourist destinations, especially for foreign visitors. The city hosts tourists from all over the world and has a well-organized infrastructure to ensure everyone can enjoy the attractions with peace of mind. The presence of tourist police is a significant factor, especially around the falls in Iguaçu National Park and at major tourist spots like the Three Borders Landmark and Itaipu Dam. The city is constantly working to provide a safe and welcoming environment, with information available in multiple languages and guides prepared to assist with any concerns. Foreign tourists can also rely on a wide range of services to ensure a smooth experience. Hotels and restaurants in the area are accustomed to international visitors and offer support in different languages. Ride-hailing apps and licensed taxis make getting around easy, and the main tourist routes are well signposted and maintained. To ensure an even safer experience, it's recommended that tourists use licensed tour services, especially when visiting areas like favelas or more remote regions. All this infrastructure makes Foz do Iguaçu one of the best options for safe tourism in Brazil.
After uncovering so many secrets and discoveries in Foz do Iguaçu, it's impossible not to feel like packing your bags and experiencing it all firsthand, right? So what are you waiting for? This trip goes beyond just tourism. It will change the way you see nature, ecology, and Brazilian culture. Whether you're visiting the majestic falls, cruising on the Macuco Safari, or learning about sustainability at the Itaipu Dam, every detail connects you to something greater. Where will your next stop be? How about starting by planning this trip? And before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to keep discovering more amazing secrets about Brazil. Your next adventure is closer than you think.